Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in this video I will talk about the first modification I mentioned in my previous video, the one about removing the side panels on the XT660Z Ténéré. And so let's jump into it and see how we do that. This video is dedicated to all of you that has asked for a tutorial on Instagram and Facebook, so thank you. Because I have already done this job on my motorcycle, some picture and video are from 2 years ago when I was building it. I hope that this video will be useful as well. Now, let's start the job. First of all, as always, I suggest you to wash your bike before any work on it. No one likes to work with dirty or muddy pieces. We will start with the easy side of the bike, the exhaust side. The first thing to do is to remove the plastic clip in the bottom front of the side plastic panel. Just push a little bit the center of the clip with a screwdriver or any other tool that can fit, and then push it out from the holes in the plastic of the radiator guard and the side plastic panel in a direction that goes from the engine to the front wheel. Now remove the 3 screws that hold the plastic side panel in position, and then remove the side plastic panel from the bike. Now, no fear, you will not damage anything. At this point there is a steel heat shield attached to the bike only with 2 screws of the engine. So, remove those 2 screws that I'm indicating to you to remove the shield. Put the screw back on, and with this side we are done. Now let's jump into the part that all of us were waiting for, the side of the cooling tank. Yeah. As for the other side, remove the plastic clip in the bottom front of the side plastic panel as explained before. Then remove the 3 screws that hold the plastic panel in position. As for the other side, you can see that the panel comes off easily. Now drain all the liquid out from the cooling tank, then remove the bottom front tube that connects the tank to the radiator cap zone. Now unscrew the 2 screws that hold the tank in position and then remove the tank. Well done! We are very closer to the end, but it's not done yet. To remove the bracket that holds the cooling tank in place, we have to cut them with a saw that obviously can't work properly in this small environment, so we have to remove the parts that at the moment are carrying them. In the back, the polished bracket is attached by 2 screws of the engine starter and the oil gas serpentine, so unscrew the first 2 and unplug the second one, then remove the plate and cut with a saw the pieces unused. Now, from the front, remove the voltage regulator and put it on your engine clutch carter. You don't need to unplug it, remove also the horn and don't unplug it as well. Remove the 3 screws bolted on the frame that hold the front bracket in position. It's a bit tricky, but with the right wrench and socket wrench, this job is about 1 minute. Don't worry, your engine will not fall on the ground, so remove your bracket and again use your saw to cut the cooling tank bracket out from the front big bracket. Now, with a little corrective pen for car scratch, paint the uncoated iron and then put the bracket, the voltage regulator and the ore back together on the bike using the opposite process of the one done before to remove them. Now we are done. Nope, something's missing. Alright, I forgot to explain about the radiator protection. Well, there is not much to say about that. It's useless. It doesn't protect anything at all. And after 6 years with this bike, I don't really know the real function, just remove it. I will soon make a video of how to build a proper radiator guard for the XT660Z with also all the size and the possibility to download the project to make your own one. And yeah, we have finished. Now you can see your XT in all of its beauty. Now everything looks higher, stronger, fast, but lighter for sure. If you have any problem or question, feel free to write a comment or send me a direct message on Instagram. I will be happy to help you out. So, as you have seen, it's not that impossible to have a cheap and easy mod on your XT. Also, it's quite useful because, as I mentioned in the other video, it's easier to access to the engine if you have to do any maintenance or other stuff during your trip or anything else. Also, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for staying with me today, and see you next time.